Welcome to Smart Preparation MCQs. Today we will cover MCQs and PYQs of NEET on class Aves. Which one is a flightless bird? Pigeon, crow, and vulture. These are flying birds, but ostrich is flightless bird. Other examples of flightless birds are emu, kiwi. In birds, forelimbs are modified into wings for flight. Which of the following is absent in bird's skin? Oil glands, keratinized scales, and feathers. These are present in birds, but sweat glands are absent. In birds, the lung bones are hollow with air cavities or pneumatic that reduce weight aiding flight. The digestive system of birds has additional chambers called crop stores food and gizzard grinds food. Bird's heart is four-chambered. Birds are Birds maintain constant body temperature, so it is warm-blooded or homeothermous. In birds, respiration is supplemented by air sacs connected to lungs that ensure continuous unidirectional airflow, making respiration highly efficient. Fertilization in birds is internal and oviparous, and development is direct. Match the bird with its scientific name. Crow is curvus, pigeon is columba, parrot is citicola, peacock is pavo. So option A is correct. Which of the following is flightless? Penguin or aptenodytes is flightless. It is adapted to swimming. Other three are pigeon, vulture, and crow. These are flying birds. The word nephron refers to vulture. Which one of the following organisms bears hollow and pneumatic lung bones? Neophron or vulture. This contains hollow and pneumatic lung moves. Hemidactylus or gecko, it is an example of reptile. Macropus or kangaroo is mammal. Ornithorhynchus or dog-bill platypus is also example of mammal. Identify the vertebrate group of animals characterized by crop and gizzard in its digestive system. Option C. Aves. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.